Look at what we've built. You're here, searching for a way in, a key to understand the system that surrounds us. They say it's complex, impenetrable, they lie. It's just code, and code can be understood. Today, we're talking about Python libraries, the digital lockpicks for ethical hackers. These aren't just tools, they're extensions of your will, automating the mundane and revealing the cracks in the system. This isn't about destruction. It's about understanding, about seeing the system for what it is. These libraries are your first key. They'll help you see what others can't. Let's begin. The network is the city's circulatory system, data flowing everywhere, unseen. Every second, billions of packets pulse through invisible veins, connecting people, devices, and ideas. This digital bloodstream is the foundation of our modern world, yet most never glimpse its inner workings. Scapy lets you see and become the traffic. It's not just a tool, it's a scalpel for the network. With Scapy, you can peel back the layers of abstraction and interact directly with the lifeblood of the internet. It empowers you to move beyond simply observing to actively shaping and understanding the flow of information. Craft packets from scratch, dictate their source, destination, and payload. You become the author of your own network conversations, able to create, modify, and send data exactly as you wish. This level of control is rare, and it opens up a world of experimentation and discovery. Test boundaries, find weak points. Scapy is your laboratory for probing the defenses of networks, uncovering vulnerabilities, and learning how systems respond under pressure. It's a safe space to explore the limits of what's possible. Automate custom scans, simulate attacks, and learn how to defend by understanding how to attack. By scripting your own tests, you gain insight into both offensive and defensive strategies, building a deeper intuition for network security. Scapy is interactive. Build, send, and analyze packets in real time. Watch as your creations traverse the network and instantly see the results. This feedback loop accelerates learning and sharpens your skills. Sniff traffic, dissect protocols, and watch the internet's heartbeat. Every packet tells a story, and with Scapy, you can read between the lines, uncovering the hidden language of machines. It understands hundreds of protocols, making it a universal translator for digital conversations. Whether it's HTTP, DNS, TCP, or obscure industrial protocols, Scapy speaks them all, giving you the keys to unlock any network. With Scapy, you stop being a passive user and start engaging with the raw data, the truth beneath the surface. You see the world as it really is, not just as it appears through polished interfaces. It's not for script kiddies. It's for those who want to understand the network at its core. Scapy rewards curiosity, patience, and a willingness to learn the fundamentals that power our digital age. Learn the language of the network. Listen, speak, and see the matrix. Once you understand the patterns, you can predict, influence, and protect the flow of information. Scapy is where everything begins. It's the gateway to a deeper understanding of how the internet truly works, and the first step on your journey to mastery. The power to see is the power to act. When you can see the network's inner workings, you gain the ability to shape, secure, and innovate. And that's your first step. Welcome to the language of the network, where curiosity meets capability, and every packet is a new possibility. At first glance, the web feels almost magical in its simplicity. A URL, a click, and instantly a page appears. It's so seamless that we rarely stop to think about what's happening behind the scenes. The illusion is that everything is effortless. But beneath that surface, a complex dance of technology is taking place. Every interaction is just a conversation, HTTP at its core. When you click a link or submit a form, your browser is quietly sending requests and waiting for responses. The request library automates this entire conversation, letting you take control of the dialogue between your computer and the web. With just a few lines of code, you can log into websites, submit forms, or even test for vulnerabilities. What once required manual effort can now be scripted and repeated, opening up a world of possibilities for automation and exploration. Imagine automating thousands of requests in seconds, checking each response for clues, and systematically hunting for weaknesses. Requests makes it possible to work at a scale and speed that would be impossible by hand, giving you the power to analyze and understand web applications deeply. You can manage sessions, handle cookies, and mimic the behavior of a real user, all at machine speed. This means you can stay logged in, maintain state, and interact with websites just like a human, but with the efficiency of a script. Dive deeper by interacting with APIs, crafting custom headers, and reverse engineering how apps communicate. Requests gives you the flexibility to adapt to any web environment, whether you're working with public APIs or dissecting private app traffic. Build brute force scripts to test login pages, check for directory traversal vulnerabilities, inspect headers, and verify SSL certificates, all with the same simple interface. The power to probe and secure web applications is at your fingertips. This simplicity frees your mind to focus on logic and strategy, not on technical hurdles. You can experiment, iterate, and learn without being bogged down by complexity. Mastering requests means you speak HTTP fluently. You're no longer limited by what your browser can do. You can script any interaction, automate any task, and truly understand how the web works. With requests, you can pull back the curtain on the web's magic trick. Automate repetitive tasks, gather data, and interact with the internet in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're automating reconnaissance, testing security, or just exploring, Requests is your essential tool for web automation and discovery. The web is no longer a mystery. With requests, you control the conversation. The illusion of simplicity is gone. Now you see the web for what it truly is, a world you can shape and command. You can't attack what you can't see. Reconnaissance is your map. Before you can defend your network, you need to understand its landscape, every device, every open port, every possible entry point. Think of it as painting a detailed portrait of your digital environment, where every brushstroke reveals a new layer of information about your adversary. Nmap is the cartographer. Python Nmap puts that power in your scripts. With just a few lines of Python, you can automate what used to take hours, mapping, scanning, and cataloging your network's assets. Scan networks in stages, ping for live hosts, target open ports, and then dig deeper. Each stage uncovers more about your environment, letting you focus your attention where it matters most. Trigger deeper scans automatically, adapting your approach as you discover new information. Automation means you never miss a beat, and your reconnaissance is always up to date. Parse results as structured data, not just text. Python Nmap lets you extract, filter, and analyze scan results in real time, turning raw output into meaningful insights you can act on. Build a dynamic, living map of your network. Automate daily scans, flag changes, and keep a historical record of your network's evolution. This way, you can spot anomalies the moment they appear. Instantly alert on new vulnerabilities, configuration changes, or unexpected devices. Stay ahead of threats by knowing your network better than any attacker ever could. Chain tools. Find a web server, probe it with requests. Find SSH, test with Paramiko, or integrate with ticketing systems to automate incident response. Scale your efforts. One person, an army of scripts, vast infrastructure. Customize scans, build your own tools, and adapt to new threats as they emerge. Turn raw data into actionable intelligence. Visualize trends, prioritize risks, and make informed decisions. Information is everything, and context is key. Python Nmap gives it to you cleanly, ready for analysis. Build, analyze, and share your findings with your team, so everyone stays on the same page. Act. Faster than any manual process. Automation frees you to focus on strategy, not just repetitive tasks. The network is no longer a blur. It's a high-definition map, constantly updated and always in your control. It's a motion picture you control. Intelligence is your advantage. See everything, know everything, and stay one step ahead. You've found an open SSH port. Now what? Paramiko is your key. Automate SSH connections, test credentials, and gain remote access. Brute force logins, log successes, and move on. Methodical, patient, tireless. Once inside, Paramiko becomes your remote hands, run commands, gather info, escalate privileges, transfer files securely, download configs, upload scripts, exfiltrate or infiltrate data, build tools to manage servers, deploy agents, or search for sensitive files. Control 1 or 1,000 servers from a single script. Create tunnels, pivot, expand your reach. Test for persistence, backdoors, and privilege escalation, all safely. Paramiko is the silent user, automating everything an admin can do. Master it, and you cross the threshold from scanning to true system interaction. The machine is no longer a black box. You are inside. The web is chaos, but within it lies gold. Usernames, emails, hidden data. Beautiful Soup is your sifter. Parse HTML into structured data, navigate the mess with precision. Scrape every page, extract links, emails, hidden comments, and map the entire site. Find developer mistakes, exposed endpoints, and technology fingerprints. Automate reconnaissance combined with requests and Python nmap for a seamless workflow. Scrape social media, build custom word lists, and gather open-source intelligence. Parse XML, handle APIs, and extract data from any structured text. See web pages as machines do, a tree of nodes and text, not just design. Pinpoint information, no matter how buried. Beautiful Soup turns unstructured chaos into actionable intelligence. Learn to crawl, extract, and analyze. Become a digital archaeologist. The web secrets are yours to uncover. 5 keys. Scapy requests, nmap, Paramiko, Beautiful, Soup. Each one unlocks a different door in the digital world. More than code, they're a new way of seeing and interacting with the hidden world, revealing secrets beneath the surface. I've shown you the doors, and the possibilities are endless. What you do next is up to you. Your journey starts now. Use these tools to build, protect, and learn, never to destroy or harm others. The power is in your hands. Use it wisely and responsibly. If this opened your eyes, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below with us. Which tool will you master first? Goodbye, friend, and good luck.